In this short video, I'm gonna be trading as a complete beginner, having no market experience, following this market structure sheet that I downloaded on Google. So the goal is to make $100 as a complete beginner and see how long it will take me for me to make that $100, if at all I'm going to make it, right? So what I'm gonna be using in this video is market structure, guys, and I'll follow the rules exactly how I'm seeing them on Google so that I see if at all I'm going to actually make profit from this account. So yesterday I dropped a video where I was trading as a professional trader, and it took me 2 hours and 30 minutes for me to actually make my first $100. So if you haven't seen the video, go back and see it. So in this video, I'm gonna be trading as a beginner and see how long it will take me to grow this account to 100 USD, following this very nice chart pattern here. I usually use this chart pattern up to date, guys. Like, it's a very nice chart pattern. So if you want access to it, just comment CP and I will send you that chart pattern, right? So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So yesterday, as you saw, I was trading with accuracy as a professional trader, but in this video I'm just going to be following the rules. So here I just entered a trade on VIX 75. What I was seeing here was a rising wedge according to this very chart pattern, right? And then what I did is I waited for the market to actually pull back as it said, and then I entered my slots. So shortly after, I found another setup on Jump 100, guys. Like, it looks so good, right? So what I was seeing here was a heads a shoulder pattern, which I personally love to trade. And then also I saw a continuation pattern. I put my trend lines here. As you can see, you always have to put your trend lines even when you're a beginner, and I saw to say this is a continuation pattern. The market is going to go all the way up, right? And then what was confirming this was the heads and shoulder pattern, which I saw here. So I knew to say the market is about to shoot up. So what I did is I had to come out on VIX 75 when it made like $7, so I can increase more slots on Jump 100 and get to my profit target fast, right? So yeah, let's just see how everything would turn out. So shortly after, boom, the trade was in deep profit, guys. Like, I was up 42 USD, which is crazy if you ask me, right? So I just had to close my position, and the reason why the balance is like 21, the trade didn't just shoot up, guys. Like, it was playing around on my area of interest, and it took out some of my positions and shot up. You know how Jump moves, guys. So yeah, I just had to make sure I close my position and secure the bag here, because now I'm close to my profit target, which is 100 USD. I just have to find another setup which I can flip this 60 plus USD to 100 USD and complete the challenge, right? Which is gonna be crazy if you ask me. So yeah, as you can see, I found another setup already on Jump 25. It looks very good, and I'm gonna be using just this simple chart sheet, right? So what I'm seeing here is a channel, right? We just touched 2 touches the trend line already, and it has made the 3rd touch, which is a confirmation of a buy. This is just things that you can find on the internet, right? So on my 3rd touch, I'm gonna enter full margin, right? Nah, not really full margin, but I'm gonna risk a little bit more so I can make my profit target here, right? So upon touching this 3rd touch, I'm seeing it to go all the way up to touch my upper trend line. So I just had to confirm with my trend lines. As you can see, it's very important for you to draw trend lines even as a complete beginner, because they shape up the market and they show you exactly where the market is going, right? So what I was seeing here was a continuation pattern, and also I was seeing a ascending channel, right? So these are 2 confirmation on 1 trade, so I just had to risk a little bit more so I can get to my profit target. But then these trades, even a complete beginner can catch this type of trades, because as you've seen, it's only a 3rd touch that was giving me the confirmation here, which are things that you can see on the internet, on YouTube, you see. So as a complete beginner who's just learning about forex, you know about trend lines, you know about support and resistance and all that, right? So that's what I was using in this video, and shortly after, boom, I reached my profit target, which is 100 USD. But then it took me like 2 hours to make 100 plus profits, right? Because I was being reckless with the lot sizes. I was just going full margin, you see. So the issue here, if I wasn't accurate with the entries, I would have easily kaboom, right? You see, but then I was accurate with the entries. That's why I was able to get to this profit target this fast as a complete beginner, right? And there's always that beginner's luck, you see. So sometimes it happens like that. So if you're seeing this video for the first time and you're a complete beginner, you want to learn how to trade forex, just make sure you DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can go about it, right? But first, make sure you open your account with a broker in the description below, because that's what's going to allow you to place trades and all that, right? So open your account with the best broker, Derive, and then you can DM me from there and I'll fill you in on how you can actually join my mentorship and all that, right? See you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут с Ямала, долго до